Hey, hope everyone is well. Today I'm gonna show the first time the ski actually from Mount Peter. It's nearby the sea from the city,
It's cool.
still in New York.
Oh, wow. So good, man. You're welcome. It's super
Although
big.
the video was in March
This is
2019
Skyboard.
of my first live, but to be honest, I just learned from YouTube how to take turn,
Hi.
how to ski.
Yeah, see up there. Oh my God.
You have to take 20 minutes
First
lesson
time I
as
ski,
new.
I never had before, but it's really fun. Even if the weather cold, it's like minus 11 degree Celsius. The Fahrenheit is like 12 degree Fahrenheit. Feel like and that's so super cool. Hi. Yeah.
So now this ski lift take
Thank
us
you.
all the way top of the mountain.
Yeah.
They also doing the snow tubing,
Yes.
and I did that also. It was funny, and I want to make the small video for how to make a first time tubing and how to ski. Little bit
Nice.
details. Another video that I don't want to make this video too long.
So we're going for like with this ride to go all the way top of this,
It was my first time on the ski slope,
all the way top of
but
this
as a
mountain.
beginner, I felt only twice.
This is pretty cool. It's only the weekend and the Friday, Saturday, Sunday people are it's super busy here that I heard. And today is the coldest day of this weekend. So I mean like of this week. Wow. So expert this guys. Here's my shoe. Wow! Oh. Hi!
You can see also the ice making machine. If they need like ice or snow, they machine make that ice. It looks pretty cool.
A little hard to drive on a first day. I need to fix my hand there. Pull it off.
The guys, you can see this doing snowboarding, and he lived nearby that place. His name was
Yes.
Jack. It's kind of helpful, I feel like. So yeah, it was nice to know somebody's that known place, that area.
Thank you, man. Oh, I used to, if I will be here, I'll be like, well, thank you. Enjoy you too. All the people. The gentleman doing ski. What's your name again?
Jack.
Hi, thank you, Jack. Have a good day. You look so cool. So people doing ski. That's so awesome. So that's my turn. I'm going. Going. Okay. Going. Oh. see anything. Oh my god. Woo! Oh, I'm flying in the first time. Oh, woo! Oh, I need to go a little slow. I don't want to go fast. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Oh! Oh fuck. Oh my god, it's super crazy. It feels so good. Oh, but carefully, you have to handle it that. Oh fuck. Oh, I dropped it. Oh god. Fuck. Oh fuck. It's super. Oh god, I'm just. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I came back. Woo! You finished that? One more time I fall down here. Hi.
However,
Thank you.
if you want to just
Thank
if you have your own equipment, that's nice that you don't have to extra charge for rent. Otherwise you have to rent.
hi,
Then
guys.
on the spot you can rent from there as well. I mentioned on the description box for the website and official site, and the price I cannot give you right now because of its skin may change, so you can get from online. It was a lot of fun since the first screen and how it was hired that day. I didn't imagine what to do in
Hi.
such cold weather.
Hi guys.
You can see on the screen I mentioned for it was feel like minus 11 degrees Celsius. It was super cold from morning 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. in the afternoon. That means 7 hours I was staying over there, and I was super excited originally and was first time, so that's the main reason I didn't feel that cold, Luckily the day was so sunny, beautiful, but not like cloudy like
Wow, look at that.
Hunter Mountain. If you want to make the video, make sure similar to the GoPro you have that type of camera. That will help you out.
It's a little windy. So I just prepared myself. It's look cool. I like your board. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Hey guys. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. This look cool. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Oh yes. Woo! The first day in ski, never had it before anyway, but it's a lot of fun. Oh god, it's so cool. It's really awesome for it, like it's like so enjoyment. Like honestly, it's so cool though. I thought like I'll not get it, but it's like it's the ninth time I just go riding and just game ski. I get fall down many like 3-4 times, but it's still I get enjoy. আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে যদি আপনারা যদি আসতে আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে। This is the machine of ice. This machine is making ice. It's ice making machine. Like when they need more ice, they're making it. যদি আইসের দরকার হয় তাহলে এই মেশিন আইস তৈরি করে এই স্নোর জন্য it creates, so it's more better to for skiing. There's over there is for tubing. There's a tubing place that we had already before we done, and this is, you can see the top of the mountain, the down, you see the all the way down. Start now. It's all the way in the mountain. Woo! Oh god. Next speed যাচ্ছে. I should to go a little slower. I should to see the slower you can stop like this. Super windy as well.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. I'm really appreciate from all of you, and stay well. Until then, I'll see you the next one, and be peace.